I'm sure once or perhaps for several occasions, nasabihan ka na, uy, purong grammar ka. But this is a clumsy way of saying so. Ang tamang term kasi ay ungrammatical. Pero yun na kasing nakasanayan natin kaya naging accepted na sa ating pang-araw-araw na pakikipag-usap. Let's correct some of the common embarrassing grammar mistakes that even smart people make until today. Madali lang to, promise. Grammatically incorrect sila pero we use them every day. Yung iba wrongly pronounced. They've become common and eventually accepted, so they're safe to use. Gaya ng expression of free gift. Gifts are obviously free. Kaya redundant na siyang sabing free gift. Ganun din ang pagbigkas sa salitang ito. Debut? Yun ang alam mo. When it should be pronounced as debut. First come, first serve? It should be first come, first served. With D sa dulo. People will be dealt with in the order in which they arrive. Irregardless? Wala namang word na irregardless Regardless, dapat. This job is open to all regardless of previous experience. Forte? If you're trying to say that something is or isn't your talent, the technically correct way to pronounce this word is fort. But then again, forte is common and accepted, so okay lang gamitin. Pero kung alanganin ka sa pagsabi ng forte, just say, it's not my strength, or that is my strength. Per se. To say per se is incorrect. Per se dapat. The Latin phrase which means in itself or intrinsically. But saying per se is accepted, as in the song per se wasn't a bad choice. It was your singing voice that was terrible. Sa Tagalog, I think it's safe to say kung tutusin. Parang ganito siya kung gamitin. Yung kanta kung tutusin ay sakto lang. Yung pagkakakanta mo ang sablay. First year anniversary? Well, the use of the word year is redundant. It should be first anniversary. Or, kung naka 50 years na, the 50th anniversary. Here's a list of other redundant phrases that we use today and their respective one-word meanings. And wait, there's more. I'll also share with you their Pangasinan counterparts. Ready? Added bonus means extra. Arum. Suki, aruman nyo la. Cease and desist, meaning suspend, itunda. Alimaong so gagawin da, katon inpatunda no gobyerno sa operasyon da. Consensus of opinion, meaning agreement. Tungtungan. Ang titungtungan nyo nun karuman Each and every, meaning any. Sansakay. Ayari badan tuatod barangay, nagamoran na sansakay na kabaluyan tayo. End result, meaning consequence. Nansumpalan. Darya to, aliliwin ng sumpalan tulayan. New innovations, meaning remodel. Balo. Alagran tayo nun sabi, may balon paway, ya gadget. Null and void, meaning annulled. Siyan. Si Kumarin Shoni, tan si Masikanto, siyan naran abay bayagla. Past history, meaning background. Apalabas. Aya may apalabas siya agawan ng saman. Plan ahead, meaning prepare. Manparaan. Mas bali-bali sumamparaan natin. Yan, agtayo man apura na buwas, ya un biyahe. Regular routine or pattern, apasalan. Gawam imay apasalan mo na. Rough estimation, meaning approximation. Kwenta. Pigare a kwenta ma. Sum total, totality. Amin. Pigaran amin,